My torch setup as a 20-year-old HVAC tech. I'm gonna be switching my torch setup from this guy into here. Never roping up my torches again. All right, so I had a bunch of people reach out to me telling me that I could turn this MB4B into a torch setup, so. You just walk around, boom, in the top. Sandpaper, striker, mirror, this tool. I have like a bunch of copper couplings just to keep in my bags. All right, so this is the setup. This is so sick. Want to go Ghostbuster mode? You could do that too. This is Vito's MB4B. Thank you, Vito, for sending it out to me. This is gonna be such a sick setup. I cannot wait. Peace.